Here's how you can make 5 to 10K a month even as a complete beginner. All you need is a laptop to set everything up, and everything else you can do from your phone. The business model is called affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services online in exchange for a commission. We're going to be promoting products that people are already buying. I'm going to walk you through how this is done step by step, so make sure you watch to the end. Give me a follow so you can be the first one to learn more about affiliate marketing strategies. Step 1, go to Google and type in ClickBank and then click on the first link. Click on start here and then sign up. Step 2, once you're signed in, go ahead and click on affiliate marketplace. Step number 3, we're gonna go ahead and click on top offers. Sort your results by average conversion, high to low. Scroll down and pick one of these high ticket products. I'm gonna go with this one right here. As you can see, this is how much you're gonna earn. Click on promote, add account nickname, and then click on generate top link. This link is really important and that's how you're gonna get paid. Click on copy. Every single time when someone clicks and buys from the link we just copied, you're gonna earn $1,224. Step number 4, to any social media platform and start creating content about crypto, since that's the one we chose to promote. Step number 5, show you have your affiliate link in your bio and you're good to go.